How to hide followers on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can hide your followers on Instagram. Basically, first things first, what you'll have to know is you'll have to set your account to personal account. Make sure that your account is personal account and not the business account or professional account. So once you do so, you want to open up Instagram here. You want to head into your profile by tapping on profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the menu icon or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once there, you want to simply tap on settings. Once on settings, you want to tap on privacy option, and you can see the very first option that says private account. Now, setting your account to private is the only way to hide your followers and following and all your posts on Instagram as well. So you'll have to set it to private, and anyone that is not following you, and even if they have to follow you, you'll have to accept their follow request. They'll have to send you a follow request first, and you'll have to accept it. So if anyone is not a follower, they won't be able to look up to your followers or to your following list or any of your posts on Instagram. So this is the only way you can hide posts on Instagram. Hope this helped you, and this is the only way you can hide followers on Instagram as well. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.